Alright, thought I would show you guys this cool little brass doorknob. It came from the city of Newark, New Jersey. And it said it was incorporated in 1836. Possibly maybe like off the courthouse or something, since it's got the scale of justice there. And looks like a gavel. Sounds pretty cool. Solid brass. I have no idea how old it really is. I don't think it's from the 1800s, but it's probably a early 1900 piece. If anybody knows anything about it, I would love to hear from you. What do you think? Very cool. Bought it off eBay, I believe. Pretty cheap too. Thought it was pretty cool.